With our core belief in experiential learning and learning by doing, Seamless Education Academy is a pioneer in end-to-end, full-fledged integrated media education. Our experienced personal counseling helps in understanding better the nuances of media education and its career pathways. Our programs in the School of Broadcast Media offer a 3-year Bachelor's of Arts in Journalism and Mass Communication, which is affiliated with Sikkim Manipal University. A Diploma in Digital Filmmaking program trains students to become efficient filmmakers under the guidance of renowned faculty and film academicians. The Diploma in Broadcast Journalism offers a simulated TV channel environment for hands-on experience. Similarly, a simulated radio station environment is offered for students who wish to do radio programming and radio jockeying. A 1-year diploma in advertising and public relations works on the fundamental of producing creative works while training students in new world communication strategies. Our editing students get to work on a spectrum of material in Certificate Program of Digital Film Editing, shaping them into creative film and video editors. Our much sought-after programs of Animation and Arts offer Diploma of 3D Animation, which provide the latest software technologies and the best faculties in today's industry. Diploma in Game Design is our innovation-oriented program, while Diploma in Game Programming has produced top-notch programmers that have gone ahead to work on some of the biggest games. Similarly, the Diploma in Visual Effects immediately elevates our students into full-fledged industry professionals. These top-of-the-line industry programs transforms our students into in-demand VFX, CG, and gaming professionals. Sound engineering is our stronghold, which combines the latest technologies along with the best faculty and facilities in the country. Our fully equipped sound studio helps students in gaining a plethora of experience as a part of our electronic music production program. A sound engineering department, which is authorized and certified by Apple as well as AVID, also has a fully integrated sound lab. With continuing our promise of priority to innovations and providing state-of-the-art facilities to our students, we invite you to our picturesque locale on a remarkable intellectual and social experience that constitutes the Seamless Experience.